Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to customize application icons on your iPhone without Siri shortcuts or app redirect. So let's start. First open a browser and go to the URL iskin.tooliphone.net. Now scroll down and tap on Browse by Themes. Now scroll down again and here you will see many themes. I have already installed Pixels. Now I'll look for another one. Let's go with 3D theme right now. Tap on the theme you like. I'll tap on 3D theme. Now tap on application icons. Now scroll down. Now tap on the application icons to select them. I'll select App Store, Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Discord, Find My iPhone, Google Maps. Also Instagram. I'll also select Photos, as well as Safari, Snapchat, YouTube and Zoom. Now tap on Generate Theme and a configuration profile will be downloaded. Now go to Settings app and tap on Profile Downloaded. Now tap on Install on top right corner. Now enter your passcode and tap Install. And the theme is now installed. Now if you go to your home screen, you will see that the app icon you have selected are now here. Now let's open an app. And that's how you can change app icons without Siri shortcuts or any app redirect. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.